welcome back to Aparna's Home TV, your one-stop destination for your everyday life. In today's video, I got you restaurant style naan recipe. So let's go and see how to make this yummy naan. If you like my videos, please do like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching this video. And there are so many lunch and dinner recipes available on my channel. If you want to check them out, link will be in the description box below. Please do try them and let me know how they turned out. Now let's go and see how to make this restaurant style naan. So let's look at the ingredients to make this restaurant style naan. First and foremost ingredient is yogurt, sugar, oil, baking powder, salt, baking soda and maida. So let's start mixing the dough for this. It needs to stay like you have to mix the dough. For night dinner you need to mix it in the morning. The longer it stays, the more yummier and more tastier it gets. So let's start mixing. So I took around 2 cups. This is 2 cups of maida and we totally need 2.5 cups of maida. 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, follow the measurements correctly to get perfect naan. Don't skip it. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. There is a difference between baking soda and baking powder. Make sure you're not using baking soda or baking powder incorrectly. And 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. We need both baking powder and baking soda. Just mix it once. And we are going to add 2 tablespoons of oil to it. Mix it once more. So that its oil is nicely mixed into the dough. And now we are going to add 1/4 cup of yogurt. Exactly 1/4 cup, not more or not less. And then make like a chapati dough, like how you will make a chapati dough using water. Let me make the dough and I will show you how my dough turned out. Just use water for the remaining to make the dough now. Let me make the dough. Look how nicely the dough is ready. Knead for 5 minutes and let it sit for minimum of 4 to 5 hours. The longer you make it sit, the more tastier the naan will come. Keep that in mind when you are making naan next time. So I'll show you after 4 to 5 hours how to make the naan. It will easily make around 7 to 8 naans out of this dough. Keep that also in mind when you are making the dough. So that if you want more naan, you need to mix more dough. So let it rest and I will show you after 4 to 5 hours how to make the naan. It's been 5 hours since we made the dough. So gently knead it and we are going to make medium sized dough balls from it. Like this size. Let me make everything, I'll show. So out of this dough we could make 7 naan. So let's roll them now. So let's start with some dry flour and a bowl of water. And let's take the dough and we are going to roll it neither too thick nor too thin. It won't trouble you or anything. It won't take much time also to make it. See how easily it is rolling? Just keep on adding the dry flour. You don't need much of dry flour too, but make sure it doesn't stick. See this thickness? It's neither too thin nor too thin. We are going to stretch it a little bit with your hands. If you want a shape like a restaurant, just pull it from one side so that it will look over like this. It's ready. And now what we do is take some water and just tap on it so that the water is there everywhere. And now this water side will go down onto the hot tawa and we'll fry it. So let me make everything and let's fry it. Pan is super hot, so we'll put the water side down. This side has water, as you can see. We'll put this side down and do not disturb it until it's little bit fried. See the bubbles that are coming up? Let it fry nicely. The heat is on more than medium. Let it fry nicely. It will fry. It won't trouble at all and it will taste just like the restaurant. And it's ready to be flipped. Look at that. It still needs frying. Press it all the way and fry it nicely. Can you see that? Now we'll apply our butter. A small block of butter. Let it spread and become yummy. This is it. Look at that beautiful color on the naan. If you like my videos, please do like, comment, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.